It's almost time. The Autumn Greetings Virtual Retreat is just around the corner, and today we're unboxing the exclusive Autumn Greetings Retreat Kit. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Every product in this kit was thoughtfully designed to coordinate beautifully, making it easy to create projects you'll love long after the retreat is over. What makes this collection even more special is that Christy Marcotte and Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al helped design several of these exclusive products and will be teaching with them during our Day 2 workshops. Day 1 is streaming live and free on YouTube, so everyone is invited to join us. We'll spend the day together enjoying a combination of live hosting by Lynn from LV Handcrafted, along with Premier Style pre-recorded classes from our talented instructors, Lala, Julie, Von Marie, and Leslie. Day 2 is exclusively for our paid ticket holders and continues the fun with live hosting by Lynn, plus exclusive pre-recorded workshops from Christy Marcotte, Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al, Lynn from LV Handcrafted, and me, along with games, giveaways, and plenty of crafty fun throughout the day. Even if you're only joining us for the free Day 1 event, be sure to register. You'll receive sneak peeks, retreat updates, reminder emails, and all the latest retreat news. And if you decide to join us for Day 2, simply use the same registration link to purchase your ticket. If you'd like to guarantee your exclusive retreat kit, be sure to register before our early bird special ends on July 20th. Early bird attendees will receive a mystery bonus item in their retreat kit and be entered to win a $100 not too shabby gift voucher. I can't wait to spend this creative weekend with you. You'll find the registration link in the description box below. Register for free and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll be notified the moment we go live for Day 1. I'll see you at the Autumn Greetings Virtual Retreat.